In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see website traffic on GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to check how many people are visiting your site and how your content is performing over time. Start on your GoDaddy account dashboard. From there, head to your products area, where you can view everything you manage under your account. Look for your website in the list. If you have multiple sites or stores, make sure you pick the specific one you want to review. Choosing the correct site is important because traffic data is stored per project, not for your entire account. Once you select the website, you'll be taken into its dashboard. On the site dashboard, find the section labeled "Here's How You're Performing." This is the built-in performance panel that summarizes your website traffic. It typically shows an at-a-glance graph and key numbers such as total visits over a recent period. This view is designed to be quick and easy to understand, so you can see trends without digging through complex reports. Take a moment to read the labels. You'll often see a date range near the top of the panel and a line or bar chart that shows how traffic changes day by day. Hovering or tapping points on the chart usually reveals exact counts for specific dates. If there's a date selector, you can switch between common ranges like the last 7 days or the last 30 days to understand both short-term spikes and longer-term trends. This helps you connect changes in traffic to recent updates, promotions, or seasonal patterns. A few helpful tips as you interpret the data. New sites may show little or no traffic at first. That's normal until your site has been published and people start visiting. Data can take a short time to update, so if you made a change today, check back later to see the impact. Remember that visits and views can be different. Visits count people coming to your site during a session, while views can include multiple pages seen by the same visitor. Use both to understand whether visitors are exploring beyond your homepage. If you manage several websites, repeat the same process by returning to your products and selecting another site. Staying consistent, checking the same date range, and the same panel makes it easier to compare performance over time. And if you ever don't see the performance panel, confirm you're on the correct site dashboard and that you're using the website builder product associated with insights. That's it. Select your website from your account, then review the "Here's How You're Performing" section to see your traffic at a glance and spot meaningful trends with confidence.